All right, good afternoon, traders. This is your free video update from SeasonalSwingTrader.com. Today is Wednesday, February 28th, 2018. Today we're taking a look at the natural gas futures contract, symbol NG. This is the April 2018 contract, NGJ8, if you want to pull up on your futures platform. And you can see from the chart here on a daily that we have fallen pretty hard and fast from the 6.2 level all the way down to the 2-spot double nickel level. And it looks to be that we have found some near-term support. If we scrunch this chart back up on the daily, you can see going back for several days, several weeks, several months that we have found an area of significant support. If we draw a price level here, you can see right here at this 255 level, we found support here back in August of 2016, again in November of 2016, again in February of 2017. Multiple touches here at the end of 2017 in December, and then we have since found that area again here in February. So going back to current levels, obviously we can see the reaction off that level on each of those touches back in time. We've skyrocketed higher. So we like low risk trades, low risk opportunities in the natural gas complex. From a seasonal perspective here, notice that we also have momentum turning higher. We've got a higher profile. The market has since rebounded above that lower profile print. And then seasonally, we have very, very, very high bullish seasonal tendencies to go higher starting right around the end of February, early March. Today is the last day of February. Tomorrow is March 1st. So we are knocking on the doorstep of this potential seasonal move here, and we'll be looking at a minimum to hold this into mid to late April. So approximately 1.5 to 2 months is the time frame. If you're trading futures options, we like looking at the July contract to give us enough time. Here you can see the July contracts expire in June 26th to be exact. I like purchasing somewhere here right around at the money in the July contract, anywhere at the 275 to 280 mark. You can see they're going for around $1,500 to $1,600. You can do this in your stock account, trade via the UNG ETF, and you can see here that the UNG hasn't quite tracked exactly to the underlying futures contract, but we are getting a very similar setup here, rounding out here at this bottom low, looking to turn higher. Doesn't mean that we can't go lower. Obviously, if we take out the lows either on UNG or the futures contract, that would be our signal to exit. But we do like buying call options in UNG and or natural gas futures. In UNG, I would also go out to the July contract, 142 days left till expiration, and we'd be looking to buy the 22 strikes for around 160 or so, and or you could possibly go out to the 23s and pay around the 110 to 115 per contract. So this is a longer term swing trade in natural gas based on a little bit of technicals and a lot of seasonals. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next update.
Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.